giant slimes, guys. So I found this box of very old giant slimes I have made in the past, and I thought it'd be really cool to kind of just look at them and see, like, a lot of times when when slimes are like really old, they get either thicker or like maybe they get thin, and it just becomes weird. So I just wanted to see my very old slime. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and let's get straight on into the video. Yo. Alrighty, guys. So first, I actually wanted to mix this really quick because this is one of my background slimes, and it was a mixture before, and it kind of mixed by itself. But I just wanted to mix it really quick. So let's do this. Ooh, that is pretty. Alright, well that turned out very pretty. Anyways, let's get on to the giant slimes. Alrighty, guys, here is the first one. As you can see, it is super old, but I just like to cap because like I stack these up and then the slimes fall and then it just kind of like slimes everywhere, and then yeah. But here it is. Whoa. Seems like it was a yellow clear slime with glitter. I think I remember this one. You guys comment down below if you remember what these slimes were from, which video. Let's go ahead and activate it because it seems like it's completely liquid now. So we're just gonna activate it. See how that turns out. Alrighty, guys, so this is actually pretty thick, I think. Kind of feels like it's really thin, but I don't know. We're just gonna put a little bit more activator. Guys, I finally finished it. It took forever, but here it is. It is super thick, like a lot thicker than I expected. It's very, very crunchy too, and I cannot wait for this to clear up. But anyways, here it is. It's super thick, super glittery, and very crunchy, and yeah. Alright, guys, that is it for this one. Let's get on to the next one. Alrighty, guys, so here is the next one. Honestly, I don't know what's going on here because there's like 2 buckets. I think there's a slime under there, to be honest. Let me see. I can't tell because they're both green, but yeah. Whoa. Okay, we're gonna put this to the side. Alright, and we have this one right here. So I have no idea what's going on with this one. It's got Jiggly slime on the top, and I have absolutely no idea where that Jiggly slime is from, but it's very interesting. And then let's see, on the top it's like, oh, it's from the bottom. What is this? Okay, so we have a dry layer right here. I'll go ahead and put that in water or something. Alright, guys, there's like pieces of broken plastic in here, so I gotta take that out. Like, what the heck? Alright, so this is super sticky. It's actually very weird, actually. It's like super jiggly, but it's not too sticky, but it's still sticky. And yeah, there's like dirt in this. Like, what? Where is this from? What the heck? What is this? Okay, this is probably like some like really old jiggly white slime. Well, obviously, what? This kind of reminds me of the slime that I pranked Charlie with. Guys, comment down below if you know where this slime is from. Okay, so I just activated it. It's very, very nice now. Honestly, I kind of really like this. It's like super jiggly, and like I love how it's kind of like matte, no, like glossy white slime. It's very cool. It has a very soft texture too. That is interesting. All right, guys, let's get on to the next one. That's very interesting. Here is the next one. This one was the one that was underneath that one. It seems like it's a clear slime. I think this one was actually from the video where I did like cutting open stress balls, giant stress balls. So yeah, it's actually pretty good still because it has the box on top of it, but it's kind of dry still. Whoa, it actually kind of looks cool. This one isn't that old. It actually has a really cool like look to it. Like, I'm actually really liking it. It's like, it kind of reminds me, it's like unicorn noodles or something. Doesn't it look like unicorn noodles or something? Because it's got little iridescent things. Okay, I'm gonna call it, what should I call this, guys? Alien noodles or unicorn noodles? I feel like alien would probably work better because it's green. Honestly, I'm really liking this. This was a stretch ball. I had like a bunch of these things and they were like really long, but then I cut them, as you guys can see, and it actually turned out pretty good. Like, I'm actually really in love with this. Honestly, I actually really, really like this. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up with water so they can kind of like soften up, but this is actually really cool. You guys make sure you watch the whole video so you can comment down below which one is your favorite one. For now, I think I'm gonna say that this one might be my favorite one just because of how like cool it looks. All Alright guys, let's see what's inside this one. You guys ready? What? What is this? It's like all dry. Why do I do this? Look at this, guys. It's literally a rock. Oh my gosh, and I still can't get myself to throw it away. This has scent in it, guys, and it smells so freaking good. It's like a big scent block thing. I can use this as a tray, okay? This is like a decoration piece, all right? You know, you need somewhere to put your phone. You need somewhere to put your slimes. You could use this as a little slime tray. It's fantastic. And then when you want to, when you're bored and you need to play with some slime, get a piece of this, put it in water, bam. Slime. Alrighty guys, next one, let's open it. Bada, 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 bada. Ooh, not too bad. Okay, let's see. Whoa. It's activated, whoa. Okay, yeah, I think I know which video this is from. Do you guys know where it's from? You guys, I want you to try and guess what video this is from before I tell you guys. I'll give you a hint. It smells very good. I guess to some people though, because I feel like some people don't. This slime is a very clean slime, like 99% clean. Like this slime doesn't even have any bacteria in it. All right, can you guys guess what it is? 3, 2, 1. Do not choose the wrong hand sanitizer slime. Yeah, that's why it's 99% clean. It has no bacteria in it. It's honestly not too bad. Like, it's pretty good. All right, I guess we're all done with this one. I didn't even have to activate it or anything. Very good. Okay, guys, here is the next one. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, what is this? Oh, it's a thick slime. I have no idea where this is from. Okay, let's add some activator. If this is a thick slime, it's gonna be really thick now. Okay. Oh, I don't know if I should be sticking both hands in here because if this thing is really thick, it's gonna be really hard to activate. This is so weird. It feels so soft. Oh my gosh, look at how glossy it is. It has no bubbles whatsoever. Alrighty, you know what? I'm just gonna do a piece of this. I'm not about to do this whole thing. It's gonna take way too long. So I'm just gonna get a piece and I'm gonna knead it. It's super thick already. I don't know if you guys can see. It kind of looks like paint. Wow, this is gonna take forever. Alright guys, I am finally done kneading it, and I haven't even kneaded it all the way because I don't know if you guys can see, but it is kind of lumpy. And that's because it is a glue-all slime, so it's like super thick and I have to like knead it for a very, very long time. Even though I just kneaded it for like around 15-20 minutes, like just this tiny piece, that's why I grabbed a tiny piece, because it takes forever. But basically, here it is guys, it's very, very, very thick. Yeah, and I think because it has been sitting for so long in like the heat that it like got even thicker, but like it is really, really nice. I cannot wait for this to clear up and for it to be completely kneaded out, but it's honestly like really, really nice, guys. This is so old and so thick, it is crazy. It's like pulling on my nails. All right, well, that is it for that. I just needed this for like 20 minutes to get a little clip of it, but yeah, it was worth it. Okay, guys, here is the next one. Are you ready? Oh my gosh, I know what this one is from. All right, guys, this one is pretty old. Okay, this one I do know where the video is from, but you guys could try to guess which video it's from. So I'll just give you some hints. So it's a butt slime, and if you don't know what that is, then you probably won't know what this video what this slime is from. It has a lot of cornstarch in it, and yeah, look at that. It looks like frosting of some sort, and it's so cool, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna add some activator. I don't really have any more hints, so I'm just gonna leave it at there. Can you guys guess what it is? 3, 2, 1. If you guessed giant butt slime, you are correct. Pretty sure. If I'm wrong, you guys make sure comment down below what you think it is, or I mean what it is, and yeah. Okay, you know what? I'm not sure if I even want to like deal with this. I think I'm just gonna take a little piece and I'm gonna activate it. All right, here it is. This is so freaking thick. All right, guys, here is this slime. It actually activated very, very quickly. I think I did overactivate it a little bit, but here it is. Excuse my horrible hands, but it's very hard to get out. Anyways, it is super matte and super dry. Kind of feels like bread dough. It reminds me of bread dough. And yeah, I actually kind of like it. Very interesting. It really looks like bread dough. I honestly kind of like it. Well, that is it for that one. All right, guys, here is the next one. Ta-da! Okay, that is, oh, I know what this one is. Oh my gosh, is this, oh my gosh. I thought it was gonna be completely, no way. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Wow, this is so freaking cool. Look at how clear it is. What the heck? This is so old. I'm gonna say it's around 3 months. I don't know. Probably like, I don't know. Look at how thick it is. Probably 3 months old, 4 months. I'm not sure, but it's very old. And it smells very good. It's very clean too. And I don't know what to say. All right, well, I'm just gonna keep it with, it smells very good and it is very clean too. Kills bacteria, so yeah. Okay guys, can you guess what it is? If you can't guess what it is and you need some more time, then just pause the video and yeah. 3, 2, 1. If you guessed, do not pick the wrong mouthwash slime. You are correct. This one was from that video. Oh my gosh, oh, look it. And I think what was going on here is that I think this might have been my mom, and she overactivated it. It's been so long that it's kind of just like okay now. Honestly, this is amazing. Overactivated slimes that have like, that are very old overactivated slimes are like the best. Look at that, like this is amazing. It's like not sticky at all, very clear, and smells so freaking good because this mouthwash smells like peppermint. I love this. I'm so surprised. I thought this was gonna be liquid and it was actually like very solid. It's amazing. Okay, I think this is gonna be my new favorite slime. I absolutely love it. It is so like jiggly and clear and not sticky. I love it. I guess that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you comment down below which one is your favorite one. I think this one will be my favorite. It's so amazing. It's like such like a putty and it's so nice and I just love it. You guys, that is it. Let me search. I hope I see you next time. Bye.